Dear online students of class 12, welcome to your course of English language. My hope is that by the end of this course, you have a new appreciation for the subject matter and will continue your education in the subject. Today, we will take up grammar. You have done all these exercises in class 11, but we will do it again as a revision in class 12. Today, we will do tenses and their use part 1. And we'll deal with simple present tense. Now, where is simple present tense applicable? It is used in expressions in the immediate present. That is, what is happening immediately. For example, she wants to speak to me at once. It is very cold. Yes, immediate present. Here, present tense, that is simple present tense is used. Again, when a sentence begins with here and there, then too we use simple present tense. For example, here comes the captain, there goes the train. Yes? Next, the second point. Simple present tense is used to indicate the present period. That is just now. Yes? It is used to refer to events, actions, situations which are true at the time of speaking and which may continue indefinitely. Yes? That is the time which is not definite. Indefinitely it will continue. For example, my father works in an office. Our school has a big hall. Yes? So you don't know till when your father is going to work. So, my father works in an office. We use simple present tense. Again, number 4. That is, number 3. That is to express a situation that is permanent. Yes? This train runs from Delhi to Mumbai. The train is running from Delhi to Mumbai. It's a permanent situation. Our office faces the east. Now every day your office can't change its direction. Yes? So it's a permanent situation. Here too we use simple present tense. Now, next is to express general truths. That is universal truths. Yes? For example, the earth goes round the sun. This is a universal truth and you can't change it. Here too we use simple present tense. A chemical reaction takes place in the fuel cell. The soul is immortal. These are universal truth and you can't change it. So here too we use simple present tense. Now, the next point. To express regular or habitual action. A thing which you do regularly or a habitual action. Here again you use simple present tense. For example, I get up early and have breakfast. Yes, you do it every day. We can be more precise about habitual actions by using simple present with adverb of frequency such as always, ever, never, occasionally, or with adverbial phrases like every day, twice a month, on Sundays, etc. Okay? Yes? So, this is where we use simple present tense. When we talk about simple present tense with adverbial phrases, then we can give an example, that is, he comes here twice every month. I practice speaking English every day. Now, twice every month and every day are adverbial phrases. Yes? Now, number 6. To express a future action. That is, you are talking about a future action, but You are talking now about the future action. So again we use simple present tense. This tense is used to express a future action when the futurity is indicated by the context as what do we do next month and the college reopens next Monday. Yes? Then we come over to point number 7, that is in time clauses. Yes, in time clauses. Now time clause are introduced by conjunctions of time such as when, while, until, after, and as soon as, and as. Yes? Example, when you come to Mumbai, pay us a visit. Yes? Wait there until I come back. Yes? So what are you using? When and until. Yes? Next, number 8. In conditional clause. Now, in conditional clauses, again you use simple present tense because conditional sentences have 2 clauses. The conditional clause and the main clause. When the main clause is in simple future, the conditional clause begins with if or unless, is in simple present. Now, example, unless you walk fast, you will be late. Next, if you work hard, you will succeed. Yes? So what are you using? You are using if here and unless here. Yes? Next, number 9. In factual writing. Yes? When somebody shows others how to do something, he uses simple present tense. Yes, you must have seen in cooking show and so on. What do they say? Pour 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Yes or no? Yes. So here you use simple present tense. Again, number 10. In dramatic narratives. Yes, in dramatic narratives, simple present tense is used, yes, to describe the action of a play or opera. Yes, it is also used in radio and television commentaries, at sports event and public functions. You must have heard commentaries and so on. What do they use? They use simple present tense. Yes, example, in the film, Amit plays the central role. Yes, this is an example of dramatic narrative. Next, number 11. In reports, when you are reporting someone's speech at some point in the recent past, you can use simple present of a reporting verb such as hear or tell. Hear or tell as I hear you are moving. I have never seen ice skating, but they tell me it is a fascinating sport. So, you see, we are using hear and we are using tell. Yes? So, this is again in reports we use simple present tense. Next, number 12. To introduce quotations. Now, whenever we give information, it is always in present tense. Yes? That is, when we talk about quotations, what are we giving? We are giving information. Yes? So we are giving information what Thomas Fuller says. For example, here Thomas Fuller says the great and the small have need of one another. What are we using? Simple present tense.